All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday. It's the day before Veterans Day, and it is 11/10, November 11th. So we're starting off with math. Please make sure that you copy this at least one time, page 111 from your math workbooks. And we are practicing our sevens. We're practicing the fact families, both the multiplication and the division. Some of you are even ready to flip some of these numbers around and do opposite factors or orders with your divisor and your dividend. So, for example, you might, in your quotient, you might be able to flip-flop. So here you could actually, with this column, once you go through and do this, then you could actually do 14 divided by 2 equals 7 as well, so that your quotient always is 7 going all the way down, okay? So a few different things you can do with this number. I really need to clean my whiteboard, but please don't forget, very important, that you're also grouping your place value blocks on the side, okay? Every time, just so you're seeing that division taking place, okay? That division into equal grouping taking place. All right, you guys? Okay, so that's what you're doing for the first part. And then you are completing page 112, which could be very confusing if you did not come to our Zoom class last week. But just understand that what you're doing is like what the directions say. It says find the unknown number for each fast array drawing. So the fast array drawing just means they give you the initial row and column of your factors, but you have to find the unknown number. So here it would be the same as asking 4 times 7, which is 28. Okay, now if you want to push yourself, then complete your fact family. It's also 7 times 4 equals 28. It's also 28 divided by 7 equals 4. And I can't fit it, but 28 divided by 4 also equals 7. Okay? So here, this is actually asking you, but if you just do one equation, that's sufficient, okay? And really, you don't even have to do that. It's not part of your directions. But if we want to challenge ourselves, let's add another layer, okay? So 42 divided by 7, what does that equal? All right, and I know that 42 divided by 7 is going to be 6. Okay? All right, so you'll keep going with that in that same way. I guess I could go ahead and do this as just 6 times 5, which equals 30. All right, so I did the first row for you. You're going to do the rest alone. And then you're going to also be completing in your homework and remembering page 107. So 107 and homework and remembering. There we go. All right, so we have a few word problems that we're going to work on here, which we are all pretty good at. Okay, you guys? So number 1 I will do for you, or we will do together, and you'll do the rest alone. So number 1 says the area of a photograph is 15 square inches. If the width of the photograph is 3 inches, what is the length? So here you're going to be dividing, right? So if I've got a photograph and the area is 15, that means the inside is 15, but the width of the photograph is 3 inches, then you're figuring out what is the length, right? So what you're going to have to do is 15 divided by 3 equals 5 inches is the length. All right? Okay. So then you will do the remainder of these problems alone. Of course, this is not multiplication. It's not equal groups. It's not an array. It is a division. And it is also involving area. You're not finding the area, but you are working with area. So I would definitely circle division here. If you circle area, I would not count you wrong. Okay? All right. So continue on with this page. And then you also are doing an IXL today. IXL F.8. All right. Good luck.